Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kendall. Happy birthday to you. Alright, sweetheart, make a wish and then blow your cake. Good job. Happy birthday, City. God bless you. Now open your gifts. Start from the small one.
What's this?
Open it. What is it?
Candle.
Lacey?
Okay.
I think you're gonna do like that. Oh, I see that one. Look at me. Good job. Okay, next. This one.
Ooh, yay! What was that?
I think it's just nothing. No.
What?
Just leave it there in a minute. Just do
Ooh,
your stuff
lipstick.
now.
Lipstick. I got lipstick.
Okay, now keep going.
Okay. Ooh, yay! Mine.
Good job. No,
That's
next,
it,
next,
look.
next. Next, because
That's it.
we're leaving. Happy birthday, baby.
Ooh, what's this? Oh, so cute.
Some more.
It's a squishy-mallow. Ooh, what's this?
Some more there.
Watch it. What's this? A skirt that matches the
This one matches the top on it.
Ooh, socks.
Okay,
This
next.
one, right here. Ooh, a sweater.
Open it, baby.
Oh, okay.
That's not sweater.
That was just dress.
You're funny.
Yeah. Another dress.
Oh.
Last present.
Last one.
Ooh. Ooh, jacket.
Then you can wear that already today for we're going.
Ooh, another dress.
Happy birthday, love. God bless you. And
Madison.
wish you all the best in life. Good health, safety, success in life. And
Madison.
everything the best on you.
The
Okay,
twins.
sweetie. Happy birthday, my love. Jesus
sister.
loves you.
The sister. You're lucky. You got a nice